So tonight we are going to have the premiere of the Seneca short films that Rachael Wolfe's Seneca language students made with our awesome local filmmaker, Abrams. So we're hoping that we can get more short films out there in the Seneca language for people to use for learning purposes, for entertainment, and to inspire other learners to make similar things.
I had a really good time working with the students and Rachael and the language department on this project. But like I said, I think one of the most rewarding parts of this project was getting to know the students on a more personal level. Seeing them week after week and watching them grow as filmmakers, as emerging filmmakers.
But you know, for what we did this time around, it was great, and they had a lot of fun with it. We're all super duper happy that it's over, that we accomplished what we did, and that we have something to be proud of. And you know, and 2019 videos are done. It's a wrap.